So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to add text on TikTok videos on CapCut. So after you open the CapCut like this, import your video. So after you import your video, so now my video is not, as see now, it's not in the size of TikTok. So if you want to change it to the size of TikTok, now select the video, go to this aspect ratio, scroll to down and select this 9:16. So here is the size of the TikTok video. So now I'll go ahead now and resize the video and I'll just go ahead now and click on this video and go to this basic and scale the video to fit like this. Then I'll take it to middle of the video like this. So now I want to display only this part of the video in the CapCut in the TikTok video. So now if you play the video, let's see. So now if you want to add text, go to this text section. So under the text, now drag the text to your timeline like this. So now here is my text. So I do this like to the end of the video like this. So from there, now let's say you want to add the text. Now click on the text, go and change the text you want to add. So let's say I want to add this one. After you type in what you want to type for your text like this, so you can go ahead now and change the font size by clicking on this option. So there is different font size. I change the font size, so you can increase this font size again. So you can change the font case. I'll use uppercase like this. I'll decrease that, select it, take it back. So now you change the size of the as you can see now like this. You can just go ahead and position it according to your desire. Scroll to down, you can change the color, click on this color. So here you can choose the color for your video, for your text. If you scroll to down, there is even, as you can see now, different different style that CapCut gives you for the text. So you can go ahead and choose among this if you want. You can choose the one you want to use for your video. So after you choose the font style, so here is the text on your video. So now you can go ahead now and play the video. The text will remain there from the start to the finish of your video. But if you want to add the text in a certain place in the video, so you can go now and split the text. Let's say at the end of my video like this. So if I play the video, all these places they don't have the text. So if you come to the end, you can be able to see the text. But if you text at the beginning, you can just take it back to the beginning of the video. So place like for some seconds, from there the text will appear, will disappear. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.